It's intended to compensate centered internet publicizing. However, what is Essential Consideration Token? We should investigate and see what we can figure it out. And furthermore, analyze a portion of the Essential Consideration Token cost expectations that were being made starting around the 30th of November 2022. BAT rewards courageous program clients. The Essential Consideration Token was made in 2015 by Brendan Eich, a US-based software engineer who helped to establish the Mozilla program and imagine the JavaScript programming language. BAT runs on the Ethereum blockchain and is intended to work with advanced publicizing. BAT is the token utilized by protection-centered internet browser Bull. Daring is an open-source stage that blocks outsider promoters and trackers, while compensating clients for review publicizing from its endorsed distributors. BAT is granted to promoters in return for client consideration. The framework is intended to advance delayed client interest by giving more productive substance. The BOLD program contains a record framework that actions client consideration namelessly to precisely compensate distributors. Starting around the 12th of October 2022, Fearless guaranteed 57.35 million month-to-month dynamic clients and 19.92 million day-to-day dynamic clients. So if it has any desire to be a Google Chrome executioner, it actually has a smart approach, with Chrome having a revealed 2.65 billion clients. Client consideration is important. However, it hasn't been as expected estimated with an effective and straightforward market framework, expresses the Ventures white paper. We consider BAT and related innovations to be a future piece of web guidelines, taking care of the significant issue of adapting distributor content while safeguarding client security. The thought is so that buyers could see less promotions, while the advertisements that they truly do see ought to be more pertinent to their inclinations and safeguard their privileges to information protection. Sponsors go through with BAT exchanges to obtain publicizing space and market their items to clients. The cash raised by these adverts is partitioned as follows: 70% for clients, 15% for content proprietors, 15% for Bull. The BAT token is likewise intended to empower clients to send and get micropayments. Clients of the Valiant program can tip distributors involving BAT tokens as a compensation for their substance. Distributors need to join to have the option to get tips. On the 14th of January 2022, the crypto trade Bitfinex said it was delisting several BAT exchanging matches toward the finish of January. Bitfinex said it was eliminating the BAT, ETH and BTC exchanging matches to help combine and further develop liquidity on Bitfinex, prompting a more smoothed out and enhanced exchanging experience for our clients. The symbolic itself has not been delisted. Essential Consideration Token Cost History. Presently, we should project our eyes over the BAT cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the past can assist with giving us some significant setting with regards to either making an Essential Consideration Token value forecast of our own, or deciphering one that is as of now out there. The BAT cost began at 16 cents when the token sent off in 2017 and spiked to 98 cents in January 2018 when the digital currency markets mobilized. In any case, the additions were fleeting, and BAT immediately fell back to 19 cents and walked 2018. The token in this manner exchanged no higher than 52 cents until February 2021, when the digital money markets organized areas of strength for it, with many coins and tokens arriving at new all-time highs over their 2018 levels. The meeting was sped up when advanced resource venture company Grayscale reported in spring that it was sending off a speculation trust for BAT alongside Chainlink, Decentraland, Filecoin, and LifePeer. BAT came to $1.60 on the 15th of April 2021 and again on the 17th of April, prior to dropping back in May as crypto costs imploded. A meeting over the mid-year pulled the cost back up to the $1 level, and BAT then took off to a new all-time high of $1.92 on the 28th of November, following news that Fearless was set to send off wallet highlights for the Solana blockchain in the Daring work area and portable program applications in the primary portion of 2022. The combination will empower the Solana DEX aggregator for trades, NFT support, sending SPL tokens, and making accounts, as per the declaration. Solana will likewise empower the execution of the Themes convention created by Valiant on the Solana organization, a vital achievement in the BAT 2.0 guide. Solana will urge designers to advance BAT on dApps based on Solana and on the Solana network overall. From that point forward, however, the cost slid, with BAT shutting the year at $1.21. Up to this point, 2022 has not been a decent year for one or the other BAT or the more extensive crypto market. The token fell to 30 cents right after the depegging of the US stablecoin and the breakdown of the related Luna cryptographic money. The next month, news that the Celsius organization crypto loaning stage had dropped withdrawals affirmed the bear market, and the token sank to a low of 26 cents. Things got terrible again in November, when the breakdown of the FTX crypto trade saw it drop to a low of 21 cents on the 14th of November, before it wound up exchanging at around 23 cents on the 30th of November 2022. Around then, there were 1.5 billion BAT available for use, addressing the complete stockpile and giving it a market cap of around $351 M, making it the 84th biggest crypto by that measurement. Essential consideration token cost expectation gathered together. With that everywhere and finished with, we should investigate a portion of the essential consideration token cost expectations that were being made starting around the 30th of October 2022. Remember that cost gauges, particularly with regards to something as unstable as a digital money, frequently end up being incorrectly. Likewise, some long-haul crypto value forecasts are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies they can change whenever. In the first place, made a transient BAT cost expectation for 2022 which said the crypto could ascend to 26 cents by the 5th of November prior to tumbling to 25 cents by the 31st of December. The site's specialized examination was correspondingly negative, with 16 pointers giving out regrettable signs against 12 sending bullish ones. Had a fundamental consideration token crypto cost forecast which contended that the token could average 27 cents in 2022 and 57 cents in 2023, proceeding to climb to arrive at a possible normal of $1.02 by 2025. The site proceeded to make an essential consideration token cost expectation for 2030 of $3.35. In the interim, made a BAT cost forecast that said the token could close 2022 at 30 cents, prior to finishing 2023 at 40 cents. The site likewise made an essential consideration token cost expectation for 2025 that saw it start the year at 59 cents, possibly reach 78 cents in November and close the year at around 89 cents. At last, was additionally peppy in its essential consideration token cost expectation for 2023, saying that the crypto could reach 32 cents in November 1 year from now and hit 70 cents in 5 years' time. While considering a BAT cost forecast, it's essential to remember that digital currency markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Accordingly, investigators and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital currency tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own exploration. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news specialized in major examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to going with any venture choice. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns, and never exchange with cash that you can't bear to lose. It is difficult to say. A ton will really rely on how the crypto market acts proceeding. Keep in mind, you ought to constantly do your own exhaustive exploration prior to making a speculation. Indeed, even high market cap digital currencies have demonstrated defenseless against bear markets. So financial backers ought to be ready to make misfortunes and never buy beyond what they can stand to lose. It is challenging to tell. While locales like Wallet Financial Backer are really hopeful starting around the 30th of November 2022,